welcome to the second half of our Hanukkah story time. The first thing is I want to teach you American Sign Language for a candle. So you put up your hand this way, with your other hand, your pointer finger, and it's like the base of the candle. Point to it and light the flames. Candle. Candle. Just like we light the candles on the menorah. And I have another book in the library. It's called I Have a Little Dreidel, and we've talked a little bit about the Dreidel Game. Well, there's also a Dreidel Song. And let's see, let's find a good page. Here's the menorah, and the song goes, "Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. Oh, dreidel, 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 then dreidel I shall play. I have a little dreidel, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play." All right, that's the Dreidel Song. We have several activities on the website that we printed out. The first is a little booklet that you fold and put together, and you make and cut, and you have a storybook about December holidays, lighting the holidays. Hanukkah and Christmas and even Kwanzaa are featured in here. The second is a coloring sheet with two children playing the Dreidel game, Dreidel and their little Hanukkah money, and the other is symbols, Happy Hanukkah, and dreidels, and the Star of David is pictured on the Hanukkah money. Our craft is going to be a 6-sided yellow Star of David with 8 rings to count down the 8 days of Hanukkah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for each day you take off a ring to your left with the Star of David. To make the rings, it's just sheets of paper cut the same size, about 1 inch, maybe 8 inches long, and you wrap them together and ring them together. And the Star of David is 2 equal side triangles, and you glue them together, and there'll be a ring on each side. One side to hang up, and another side to hang your links. So you will have a Hanukkah countdown. The links we have on the website are, first of all, the story behind Hanukkah. There was a battle, and the menorah plays an important part. We're going to have the instructions for the Dreidel Game. We're also going to have recipes for Hanukkah desserts because it's a sweet holiday, and it's also a fried holiday. The Hanukkah latkes especially are delicious. And then, as an addition, December 13th, Sunday, is National Cocoa Day. So there's some recipes for making hot chocolate and with variations. And I think I'm going to end with, because we started our story of the menorah, it's a book I have on Jewish holidays, and we're going to light the menorah again. And here is our shamas, or helper candle. And remember I said we light, instead of 1, 2, 3, we light backwards, because in Hebrew, you read that way. This would be first word, second word, third word. 1 day of Hanukkah, 2nd day of Hanukkah, 3rd day of Hanukkah, 4th day of Hanukkah, 5th day of Hanukkah, 6th, 7th, and 8 happy nights of Hanukkah. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful week.